Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a bit of a lifestyle video. I am gonna be cleaning my fridge. Before you get into this video, you do want to watch my video on why I left YouTube. It will sort of give you a more perspective on why I'm doing like a deep cleaning, because my next couple of videos will probably be like me trying to basically put my life together, okay? Because I've had a stressful couple of months and I think I still haven't recovered. I actually think I'm burnt out because I just keep going. So yeah, today I'm gonna be going through and organizing my freezer. It's not gonna be your Instagram perfect or Pinterest perfect freezer organization. It's just gonna be me organizing my freezer. So yeah, without much ado, I'm gonna jump right into the video. You have to promise not to judge. I'm gonna open it and show you guys what it's in. So this is how my fridge looks now. Everything is just everywhere, okay? Everything is just everywhere. So I'm gonna try to arrange it today. I don't promise to do the whole fancy Instagram, Pinterest thing, but I'm going to try my best to arrange it in a way that is clean and organized. So yeah, I went ahead this morning to take out the things that are spoiled in it and throw those away. So I'm gonna go take everything out of the fridge and then clean the fridge down and then start the organization. So let's get to work. So this is a blank canvas that I'll be working with. I went ahead and took out the bottom two drawers. I'm going to take out all of the drawers and just go ahead and wash them so I can reinsert them and then try to start arranging everything. Yep. Right, everything is out now. I need to get this my skincare thing out. I did not take this out. I decided against it. I'm just gonna clean the fridge while it's in there. I really don't want to hassle trying to reinsert it, so I'm not going to do that. I'm actually going to take this out, yeah, to wash it. So yep, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm contemplating turning the fridge off, but it's a double fridge. I have the freezer here that I really do not want things melting, but I don't know, maybe I'll just turn it off and try to be quick about everything. So yep. The thing that I took out is on the counter over there. So yeah, I need to put everything together and then put it back and check things that have expired and throw that away and all of that. So yeah, there is some over here too, some over there. Yeah, we need to clean all of this up. So I got this sponge from Dollar Tree a while back, and it's supposed to be used on stainless steel. The side is like your normal sponge, and this one is like, I don't even know what to call it, but I guess it's supposed to make your fridge shine more. I don't know. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead with my microfiber towel that is right here. If you'll focus, yep, go with that to clean the handle of the fridge and everything, and then I'll go in with this. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be soaked, so that's why I don't want to put water on it. If you know how to use this, let me know in the comments. But there's no instruction on it, so I'm just sort of just using my head around it. I think maybe this side is supposed to be soaked, which is making me think everything can be soaked, because there's no way you can soak this side and not soak this side. So I don't know, just let me know in the comments. We've made some progress. So I like the way the sponge actually worked. I tried to soak it. I did not like that. I think the best way for me is to use it dry. I guess it cleaned the fridge. It did a good job, and I'm pretty impressed with it. The inside of the fridge is clean now, so I can go ahead and wash the inside and get ready to put it them in. Alright guys, so I'm really happy that I've been able to arrange the fridge and everything. I really like it. My major problem is this spot right here. I wish I have a solution. Because of the vertical space, I think I can maximize it a lot, but I'm still thinking what to do with it. I got this stamp from Dollar Tree that I used to create this one, but yeah, I'll figure it out later. But yeah, on the top I have my egg stuff here. If you're wondering why I have a lot of this egg stuff, is because egg is like my favorite protein. I do love eggs a lot. So, and also I try to buy things that I can buy in bulk and just to cut down on cost. So I usually go and buy, I think it's the 6 dozen something. It comes in like 60 pieces of eggs, so I usually buy it like that. So the 3 of them, it's not quite 60, I think it's like 50 something. I'm able to put that in this containers. Because I live alone, sometimes buying everything in bulk doesn't make sense. As much as it will cut down on cost, it just end up going to waste. So things that I could eat for over some time, I try to buy in bulk, and things that go bad easily, I try to just get what will be enough for me. Sometimes even that I still end up wasting it. I'm trying to find a solution for that. If you have something to recommend, let me know that in the comment. So I just have things that I easily grab, maybe for breakfast and also for meal prepping and all of that. I do have my cheese, my wrap and everything over there, and I have egg whites behind the milk. So yeah, another thing that is extremely part of my diet is drinks. I do love drinks, and And now that I'm trying to lose weight, I'm trying to get like low calorie drinks. So like, yeah, this Capri Sun, I think the highest calorie in this is 35 calories. So yeah, like I said, I buy things in bulk, so I just stock up and try to go through it. When I finish, I buy in bulk again. The easiest breakfast for me to eat when I'm on a diet is cottage cheese. So I do eat that with fruit. So I have my fruit cups over there, so I just grab it. It's easy to grab and go when I'm going to work. So yeah, it's just a convenience of it all. And then I like blueberries to top up my oatmeal and all of that. So yeah, there are just certain things, that some lunch meals that I have here that I really don't know where to put them. So yeah, this section is the fruit section. Yeah, so I have all kinds of fruit. I will be meal prepping with this and sort of put them together so I can grab and go as I go to work, not like trying to figure things out while I'm going to work. So yeah, I'll be working on this probably tomorrow. It's pretty late now. It's like almost it's 10:48 right now, so I need to go take a shower and go to bed. So yeah, this spot I have drinks. So these are just no sugar or diet soda. I am trying to cut down soda, even the diet one, but as of right now, you know what, we will try. Okay, this is fine for now. So I do have more to fill this space. I might show you guys a complete look tomorrow when I do the meal prep and everything and put them in the fridge. I will show you guys again. That drawer have just my vegetables and all of that. There is carrot underneath this. I just don't want to like throw the tomatoes and the pepper in there like that. That's why I put it in the basket, and this is just the best way I could position it. So yeah, then I have the handle of the fridge again. Additional drinks. This is just 40 calories. I do love drinks that come like this. Yeah, I'm a big baby. Okay, it's easy portion control. You grab and go. Then I have like extra stuff, just miscellaneous stuff. So yeah. Then over here I have my wines. I was contemplating throwing this away just because I'm trying to lose weight. I sort of got a craving for it when I was studying. It was just a craving. I got it, and when I tasted it, it was just full of sugar. So I think I might end up throwing this away. And this is sort of like a communion wine. It's a wine I got for like communion wine, as to serve a purpose of a communion wine, but I really don't like it. It tastes weird. So I might throw this one away too, or I'll sort of research how to mix this too, because this is a communion wine too, so I can research how to mix this too to sort of blend the flavor. I don't know. This is another sweet red wine that I got. It was also a craving and I just got it. So yeah, and then I have my protein shakes over here. So yeah, that's basically it. Like I said, tomorrow I'll show you guys when I fill up with food and all of that. And yeah, I think the only thing left is for me to rearrange the top there. I'll try. I'm not promising, but I'll try. But yeah, I sort of put things that I grab easily forward. So yeah, ideally I don't want anything to be there, but I do live in a small space, so I have to make good use of any space that I can find. So yeah, that's everything. I'm really glad I was able to do this. Alright guys, so yeah, thank you for coming with me to reorganize my freezer and put things in order. This portion of the video is just filmed. I already filmed that part, the freezer organization, a while back. Like I said, I'm trying to get my life back together, get into a schedule, but I've been working a lot. Like, not working as in YouTube working. YouTube is really just my hobby. I've been working a lot, so I really do not have time to do a lot of things. So this video have been pushed a bit because I didn't have an outro and an intro, so yeah, that's why. But I'm trying to get into the groove of things and try to put things together. So yeah, I will get to a point that I come back to posting at least once every week. But yeah, right now I'm transitioning there. So thank you for watching, and if you have any lifestyle video suggestions, be sure to leave that in the comments, and I'll catch you in my next video. So until then, stay blessed and beautiful. Bye guys.